Good evening, everyone. Today is my pleasure from Karyachala Foundation to have you all today. Today we will be talking about Canva workshop. So it's a beginners workshop, how you really have to work through Canva and what all you can make through Canva. So before I start this workshop, I just would like to have your introduction, just a one-liner, your name, and what made you to join this workshop so that our trainer can hear from you what she really wants to deliver to you all and she can change her script accordingly. So I have got my names in front of me, so I will start with Aina. Just your name and your city and what mode made you to join this workshop. That's it. We can't hear you. You are mute. And I yeah, request everybody to please कहते हैं yeah, switch on your video so that we can see who all are there. Yeah. So those who have joined just at this moment, I just let you know we are just having an intro round in which we are just asking your name, city, and what made you join this yeah session. So yeah, Aina, please.
A very good evening, everyone. So I'm Aina and I'm from the city Gurgaon. When I saw this Canva workshop is going on, I was like really interested because a small girl who's very talented, Anika, was teaching it. So I was really motivated to listen to the girl. You know, she's so young. My younger one is also sitting besides me, and I was telling her the story. Adya, would you like to
Hi
say hi?
guys, my name is
Hi.
Aditya. I'm 11 years old. I study in the school Lotus Valley International School, and I would really love to attend a workshop from my senior.
Oh, awesome. Awesome.
So,
Awesome
and
to
the
hear.
second reason was I wanted to definitely wanted to learn Canva as well. और मुझे ऐसा लगा and the amount was going to charity that Swati ji is always doing this and this always moves my heart that she's doing too much to giving back to the society. So this was a good chance to meet them also and attend the workshop.
Thank you so much, Anya.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Yeah. My gratitude towards you. Now I move on to Beena ji.
Hello, good evening. Yeah, so how could I miss up on this opportunity? Though I know a few things about Canva, I have used it, but I thought ki it's best to learn from that's the best way to learn from the youngsters because they give you tips and tricks and of the trade that is, very quick to understand if you can follow it. So I'm always on the lookout for that. So that's why I'm here.
Awesome, Beena. Thank you so much. And next it Isha. I think Isha is Ruchi, if I'm not wrong. Uh, Because is are you there, Isha? Okay, okay. So we will next go to Savita ji.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Thank you. Oh, I didn't know that it is by Anika Jain. What a wonderful surprise. Thank you so much. So, I'm a lawyer and I'm also an author of a book called Rising in Love with Your In-Laws. एंड बहुत सारे सेशंस करने होते हैं तो इनवाइट ये सब बनाना होता है मुझे तो बहुत डिफिकल्टी हुई है कैनवा के साथ आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव बीन एबल टू सक्सेसफुली डू वन सो great opportunity. I found it to be a great opportunity to learn. Thank you so much. Looking forward.
Awesome, Savita ji. Awesome. And today we have got Manik. Manik, can you please switch on your Manik, sorry, switch on your video so that we can see your face and just a little bit about yourself.
Video is
Which
on.
sit? Yeah.
Video is on. Her video is
Okay. I'm not able to see. That's why. Savita, please take
on.
some pictures because I'm not able to see their videos. Yeah.
Well, I'm a textile designer and I run my own retail outlets, but it's just interest that made me do it. Learning
Okay.
something new has always been a passion with me.
Awesome. So from which city you are?
Noida.
Oh, awesome.
Noida.
Okay, I'm just writing. Okay, fine. Huh. Uh, Then we have got Varsha.
Yeah. Hi everyone. This is Varsha and I'm from Thane, Mumbai.
Okay.
And as I'm supposed to introduce myself in one line, all I want to say is that I have used Canva earlier, but at a very basic stage. And since it was taking too long for me to understand, I thought this was the best way to pick it up. My purpose of doing this course was that I'm a yoga coach. So I keep needing a lot of posters, I keep needing a lot of flyers, I keep needing a lot of business cards. So in order to make this more simpler and faster, I thought this is the best platform. And as one of you said earlier, this amount was going to charity. And all my due respects to Swati also. So here I am.
Thank you, Varshati. Thank you so much. We were expecting two more participants, but we will not wait for them because it's just an hour session. So what we are doing over here, Anika will let you know about the basics of Canva workshop, and we are in talks with Canva's professionals also. Direct from the Canva. So once we are able to do these workshop, we are trying hard that we are able to teach कहते हैं full Canva course boot camp from Canva from the certified professionals from there. So before that, basics are very important to know. So the main reason to put this workshop is was that before going to the boot camp, you should know what really is Canva. क्योंकि वहाँ पे जब certified coaches पढ़ाएंगे आपको 3 दिन के लिए या पूरा 1 दिन के लिए, तो ये ना हो कि सिर के ऊपर से निकला जा रहा है कि कैसे करना है क्या नहीं करना है. तो आपको बेसिक्स आती हो और आपके पास हम what we are planning to do it is after 17th of July. सो आपके पास 1 महीना होगा प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. तो फिर उसके बाद आप जब बूट कैंप ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. We are in the negotiating stage कि where we don't have to pay much to them. उसी में टाइम लग रहा है. अदरवाइज इफ मतलब everything is possible if you pay the full amount to them, but we are trying कि हाँ थोड़े जैसे ये जैसे the way we are charging now इतना ही we are able to charge you people and you are able to learn. So there we are. Just we have got a one more entry, but we will not wait for her. Over to you, Anika. So Anika, let me introduce you, Anika. Anika is 16 years old and she's a grade 11 student. She started doing Canva from last 2 years, but professionally she launched her entrepreneurship in this May only, and within a month she had 46 clients. So she was serving to 46 clients, and so it triggered us. Why not we have a session with her? Now her schools has been opened, so she can't take the professional कहते हैं clients. So we thought why not we teach all the people who want to make themselves. Because market में what we find in May was that everybody was charging nearby for 300 to 600 for one poster. And suppose वर्षा जी है, वर्षा जी को तो रोज ही चाहिए ना. See, it's not feasible that you are able to pay that much. See, even we have got a professional team. That's why you see, we are able to put a new कहते हैं Canva poster. Otherwise, मुझे भी अगर pay करना पड़े 400 या 500 rupees रोज के, तो मैं भी नहीं pay कर सकती. मतलब it's not feasible unless until you are a big corporate. And here we are not talking about big corporate. We are just a ladies who are simply trying to work hard to make our mark in this world. So for us, अगर हमें थोड़ा सा भी आ जाए तो हम लोग अपना काम कर सकते हैं. And there is always improvement from first picture to second picture to third picture to 100 picture. So now I will just give it to Anika. Anika, over to you.
Thank you, Satish ma'am. So I'll just share my screen. You already got to know about me. So I hope everyone can see the PPT.
We can see you, but we can't see your PPT. Yeah, I think it's being loaded here.
Okay. So welcome everyone to Beginners Workshop on Canva. So what is
We
Canva?
can see your PPT, yeah.
Okay, great. So what is Canva? So Canva is basically a graphic design platform, basically where you can build flyers, posters, logos, presentations, like literally everything, you name it, it's there. And you can post it in social media. So this app has like a lot of templates for you to use. Like it has thousands of templates for each post. Like if you want to make an Instagram post, blog, card, email header, everything. And in Canva, there is one free platform and there's this paid subscription. Personally, I think free platform is good enough. You have a lot of stuff in it already. But for like advanced and intermediate level, Canva Pro also works. So let us do an example. So when you go to your site, when you write www.canva.com, something like this comes. You have design and collaborate, share. So I hope everyone can see it.
We can see your PPT only.
Okay,
We can see
let me just share it.
your second number PPT. What is Canva?
Okay. Can you see Google canva.com?
Okay, I can't see, but Beena ji can see.
Okay,
I
great.
can also see.
So, okay.
Even
So
I can't see.
Yeah, I'll just try again then. Okay. Swati ma'am, let it just load for 2 minutes in your laptop then.
Yeah, we can see now.
You can see? Okay. So everyone can see, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yes.
Everyone can see now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you see in your left corner, you have this home thing. Then you have templates, features, learn, and plans. So in templates, you have all the options that you can put. For example, Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook covers, YouTube art channel, LinkedIn banners, information, cards, invitation, T-shirts, website logo, business cards, posters, flyers, brochures, newsletters, certificates, worksheets. Like you have everything that you need to put in your social media. Next, you have your features drop down. Basically, here you have like if you want to make a postcard, then like flyer, like custom t-shirts. If you want to build, then you can build there. Then in Explore, you have different type. It basically talks about different apps and graphs you can use. Download if you want to download. In Learn, you have some courses and like blogs and some tutorials. And in Plan, like I said, you have free and you have Canva Pro, but Canva free has a lot of good things. So then you have this search bar where you can just type, like if you want to make an Instagram post, you can type here and you'll get it, like Instagram reel video. And then over here, you have presentations. These are the, and for like from presentation, you have different types of templates that you can use, all of them. So I am telling you that you should prefer to sign up because then it'll be helpful for you. Login. So let me just quickly do it. Give me 1 second. Mm, just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So I have logged in now. So you can see over here, it logged in comes. So in logged in, it's advisable that all of your designs, whatever you have made before, can come up. Like if you scroll down, Like these are all the stuff that I've made. And then again, more templates and stuff come, like certificates, presentations, and yeah. So now I would want to ask, what do you want to make? So then we'll make it accordingly and then I'll explain. So any suggestions on Instagram post or how?
This is
Maybe
good.
Instagram post.
It's a
Take up
good chance to get yourself made.
or
Your poster get done from her.
Yeah,
post-
but there's a surprise too in the last. So
So let's say
yeah.
there is a letterhead kind of a thing, or maybe, you know, multi-information sort of a thing. Like I want to make a multiple page flyer. For example, the first page would be my introduction, second page would be my work, third page would be my photographs, fourth page would be about what I plan to do with my work. You know, this sort of a thing, which will also have my logo and other stuff like.
Okay, so we'll make a flyer. So we want a multiple flyer. So we can just search here flyer and here it comes. And so these are all the templates that can come. And over here, your designs will come, whatever designs I've made. So I'll just do create design. And also over here, there's a custom size option. Like if you want to make a specific size of width and height, you can put it in pixel, inches, centimeter, and millimeter, and then you can create it. So I'll go to
Anika, one second. I think the screen is frozen. I can't see your cursor or I can't see the flyers.
I
I can
don't-
just see your basic homepage of Canva.
Anika, I think screen share is left. Yeah. Now it's
I
fine.
think I can see. I am able to see flyer
Now,
page.
Now we can see.
now we can see flyer. Yeah.
Yes.
okay,
I
so I'll
think
do
it's slow.
slowly then. Maybe it'll, buffer and stuff.
So just explain on the flyer again what they can see.
So you can see when I searched in the bar here, flyer, so all of your templates came, whatever templates like on Mass, on Father's Day, on Love, on Mother's Day, some back to school, and all of these templates are here on yoga, cheers, talent show, and stuff. So like we can choose any of the template, but there's this pro option, which means there'll be watermarks, so like you won't be able to download it. Yeah, like you'll be able to download, but then it will have watermarks. So when you'll post it, then there'll be problem. And some of them are paid, but most of them are free. So we'll go to the plus sign, create a blank flyer, and we will have it like this. So we have our flyer size of here, which is already being done. And in the left side, you have these 3-4 elements like templates, elements, uploads, text, emoji, Google Maps, and all of these stuff will come. So in templates, like you said, what type of do you want it?
Like I said, you know, maybe probably a logo somewhere, and then a description of what I plan to do. A
So
photograph.
Varsha ji is into yogas, है ना?
Yes.
So you can use our logo because you will having our logo on your desktop. So you put our logo and make something for yoga.
Okay. So in templates, we have a lot of templates. So we have of COVID, we have of dog, business, event. I'm just telling like general and then we'll come to it. Okay. Marketing, business, modern, photography, real estate, sale, and there are like much more. So we can search over here in search templates. We can search something with yoga maybe. So like we have this center classes and then this we can select from here. So if we take this one, so this flyers too. So we just have to click on it and it will come on our flyer page. Did everyone get it? That?
Yes.
Okay. And over here, this is duplicate page and this is add a page. This is also same, add page and add page, it's same. So in duplicate page, if I click on it, the page that I need first, exact. And if you want to delete the second page, so there's this bin trash thing, you can just delete the page. So for example, okay, so for templates, we have used the template. Okay, now we'll come on to elements.
बेटा देखो इसको देखो बच्चा बेटा खुद नहीं इतना ट्राई करो उनको कुछ टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है लैपटॉप पे कर लेना बच्चे मना थोड़ी कराने दो
Aina, you are no, we can hear you. It's fine, no worries. Yeah, continue, Anika.
Yeah, so in elements, we have all these graphics, photographs, and stuff. So if we write something related to yoga, so in elements, we have to select the keywords. Like yoga is the keyword. So pictures related to yoga will come. And you just have to select on it and it will just come.
Anika, can we select from our gallery also?
Yes, you can.
Or drive or whatever. From here.
It'll come in uploads. So you'll go to upload, you'll upload media from your device. Right. And for example, if I need this Halloween picture, it's not related. So it'll come here and you can just click on it and it'll come to your page.
So this Halloween picture she has taken from her desktop.
Okay.
Yeah.
So through uploads, you can take your pictures from your computer system.
Yes.
So you can take it from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, and your device. So coming back to element section, so we have this photographs where it's like real photographs. So you can take any of these. These are free. So like this, if you want to include somewhere. Well, that you use photographs only or you use graphics, because if you use graphics and photograph, it will kind of spoil the show of your creative. And also if you're using photographs, then try to use your own photograph instead of these Canva thing, because it'll give the customer a more touch to like more touch what you do.
But sometimes I feel this quality of these photographs is much better than ours.
Yes, it is. Because these are taken by professionals and most of us, we take it from a mobile phone. That's why. So for example, if you wanna try to balance, is my voice okay?
Your voice is very slow and now it's cracking also. Too much of disturbance. Switch off the fan.
There's a lot of
You are on
disturbance.
Is it better?
Not at my end.
No. Remove the mobile from your speaker.
Or maybe you need to set another speaker or something. You can choose another speaker.
Is it fine now?
I think let me switch off my speaker and then see.
Yeah, now it's fine. No.
No, it's still the same.
Is everyone on mute? Let me just get another speaker. Give me 1 second.
Anika, you are on mute. I think it's disturbances from my side.
Yeah, it's from the host. So
Now it's fine, right?
no, it's still cracking. Is it okay with the others? I don't know.
No, it's still cracking.
It's still cracking, yeah.
Uh,
Swati, maybe you can switch your devices. She must be doing only.
Can everyone mute themselves except कहते हैं Anika? I think because now I'm not matam. Now there is no disturbance, I think. Now it's fine, na?
yeah.
So I think we all should.
No, there is disturbance.
Varsha, I think it's coming from your side.
There is disturbance.
Is it?
Hmm.
So should I log off and log in again?
No, you can just put yourself on mute. I think it's gone now. It's fine,
Yeah.
perfectly fine. Please show thumbs up if it's fine because everybody's on mute. Yeah, it's fine, Anika. You can continue.
Okay, so
And
like
just a bit louder, yeah.
okay, so like we discussed, photographs we should use we should use graphics or photographs. So over here, like we put the key point as yoga, so we can see all, which is graphics, audio, videos, and photos together. And when we go to photos, we only see photos. When we go to graphics, we can only see graphics. Like in yoga, we can see different type of postures, and yeah. Then in videos, it's loading. We can see different types of videos, like 13 seconds, 18 seconds, and you can see over here the pro one will be paid, but the free one you can use. Then we also have audio, like for meditation moods, winter breath, imagery, waterfalls. It's all related to yoga, like meditation and relaxing things. So we can use this. And next I'll tell uploads. I hope everyone understood. You can upload videos and audios from your media. So like you do upload media device, any photo or any screenshot you want to put, and you can just open it. And so if you put a photo, when you uploaded it, you can just click on it and you have these arrows. Like you do in any picture, you can small it, like you can make it small, you can make it big from sides also if you wanna do. And then you can also like put effects. Like if you want to make a video, so then I'll show you. Like how do you want the entry of that photo to be there? So it's just loading. So first we have this effects on the filters that you have. Then you have wait. Yeah, and then you just have to do apply. So all the filters that have become, you can choose. Then again, this is different and stuff, like how you want it. Then if you want to adjust, so like if you want to increase the brightness of it, how much you want to increase, And also over here where they've started from purple, that shows how much it should be, like how so you can also try that. You want saturation, but it becomes cropped. So you just have to click on it, and like you just want this much of it, you can just drag it and put it how much ever you want. So like if I just want this much, I can just do this and I do done. So only this much of the part will come. Then you have flip, if you want to flip it horizontally, if you want to do vertically, and everything. Then I'll just put it in the corner right now, again through making it small and big. And there's also this eye thingy where like when you take photos from Elements, right? Like if you take one graphic from Elements and just give me a sec. Yeah, you can also yeah, over here normally it shows the keywords, but because I have taken this from my media, Canva doesn't tell what is the keywords that you can search. Then in animate, if you want to animate, so like how do you want this to come? So like when it will play, if you want it like this to come, if you want
Anika,
it
your
like
screen
this,
is
if you want it like sliding come.
Anika, your screen has frozen
Yeah.
for flip horizontal for over there. We can't see what you're doing.
Let me try again. Yeah. Can you see now?
No, we can't
Has
see you.
it loaded? I'll just share again then. I don't know, it never happened. I think some internet problems. Um,
Yeah, it's back. Screen is back. I think it's loading is a net problem because everything is coming haphazard.
so shall I switch off my camera or something?
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah, switch off your camera. We don't need to see your photo. We need more to see the screen what you are teaching. So
Yeah.
you can switch off your camera. Yeah.
Okay. So I was telling. So now everyone can see, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I was telling was when you take a photo, you can flip it horizontally. So you can see the difference. So right before the girl was looking at right side. Now when you flip it horizontally, she can look the left side. Vertically also, if you want to put it somehow, then you can do it. So I'll just put this like over here. Again, same, you just have to drag it and do it, increase and decrease. Then I was telling that you have this animate option which you click. So this is basically it kind of, if you put animate, this becomes like a video. Like right now it's a 5-second video. So like how you want it. So these are the different options that you can choose. Like if you want tumble like this. So I'll just maximize and show you. So how will this image come like this? Did every one of you see it? So if I do it again, so you can see if you want to have it like this, then if you just want to have like fade.
Can you enlarge the picture and can you put the picture in the middle instead of in the side? because I think it will be more comfortable for everybody to see. And please enlarge it a bit, picture, so we can see the effects. I think I'm correct. For us, it's too small, yeah. Because uh, yeah, now
Okay.
it's fine. Now you show the effect, tumble effect and everything. Yeah.
Select tumble. This is how
Okay, got
it's
it now.
coming.
Now we are able to understand what does it mean. Yeah.
Rise, then pan, then you have fade.
Okay, got it. This we can try, कहते हैं, afterwards. I think we all can try all these steps because there are so many steps. Yeah. But we got the basic that we can create an effect. What we'll think is very expensive to create this effect, but it's all free of cost. That's the basic point today I came to know.
Yeah. Okay. Then videos you can just put however you want. So you can just drag it and put wherever you want, and then you can see the video going. Okay, and then audio also. So right now all of these audios are paid. So let me show something that might be free. Okay, so
These
you can try these.
But Anika, I've got a query. I don't know whether anybody else has got or not. But what I feel, there are so many features. Is what you showed us today. You can keep on this in yoga. What we see, they are moving their legs and everything. But what we see can nowadays, we don't see these type of trends. Are these trends there, or we really don't know how to use them? क्योंकि जितनी भी मैंने देखी हैं फेसबुक पे या उस पे इंस्टाग्राम पे, किसी की मूविंग नहीं है, सबका एक पोज ही होता है योगा करते हुए। तो ट्रेंड में क्या है आजकल, मूविंग है, वीडियो है, या सिर्फ एक प्लेन फोटो लगाना ट्रेंड में है?
I mean, it depends. Like for yoga, I would say it's more still. Yeah, to unless and until that person is herself doing and showing or taking some classes or something. But if you want to show it in a video form, then also it works, but mainly it's still that you can see. And yeah. Did everyone get it?
Yeah, we got it. Yeah.
I'm sorry, my question may be a little disturbing to hear because it's causing a lot of disturbance in the
No,
seminar.
no worries, Varsha, we can hear you, but
You can, okay, good. I just wanted to ask, Anika, can we also attach a link on these documents since it is an image?
yes, we can. Let me answer this. Yes, we can attach, but since we are also making these Canva posters, what I found was that nobody is able to click on them. So since nobody is able to click on them and they are not able to open it, so I feel there is no use of putting them. That's my personal, yeah, what I feel. Yeah. Oh, and Anika, what do you feel about that?
Yeah, you're perfectly correct. Like you can type it, but then when you're gonna put it in your any social media, the person won't be able to click it and go to another place on your link. So there's kind of no use of putting it unless and until your URL or your page has like a very small name for the person to remember. So yeah, you won't be able to actually click on it and go to your page.
So what I feel is that instead of putting your link, you just put your this thing. You are available on Facebook or Instagram. Put an icon over there, and if you got a very small name, just put your small name over there,
Yeah.
so that people person can search. अगर आप पूरा URL डाल रहे हैं, तो कोई क्लिक तो कर नहीं सकता है ना, कोई इसको टाइप करेगा. अगर आपका छोटा सा कोई नाम है, जैसे हमारा है कार्यशाला फाउंडेशन, फिर वी जस्ट मेक ए लोगो और हम फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम का आइकन बना के हम कार्यशाला फाउंडेशन लिख देते हैं कि यू कैन सर्च बाय दैट नेम, क्योंकि हम यूआरएल लिखेंगे, क्लिक कोई कर नहीं सकता है, और दूसरी बात है इतना पूरा यूआरएल कोई टाइप भी नहीं करने का, सो इट डजंट मेक सेंस. एनीथिंग एल्स वर्षा जी? Fine. Anika, you can move forward.
गूगल मैप का भी ऑप्शन है ना, तो ये हो जाएगा लिंक अटैच, ये
हाँ.
क्लिक हो.
Google Map ये click नहीं होगा, but then I'll show you it. So for example, if I write Paris Quartier, wait, let me write Paris Trade Center. Okay.
Right.
So you can get this. You just have to click on it, and you will get the area, the location map. But then you won't be able to click on it. Like same as the link, you can attach the photo to show where the nearby locations are and where is it. But again, it won't go to your Google Maps.
Show us how the text is changed, please.
Yeah, I'll just come. So for text, you have heading, subheading, and body text, and they have shown some combinations that you can use. Like you have these glowing vibes and all of these different types. Okay, you have so many of them. So for example, if I write a heading, join yoga class. Okay, let me just remove this and show it here. Wait. Yeah. Let me write join yoga class. So over here, we can see that this is open sans serif extra, bold. But if you want to change it to any other, we have down below, you can see so many, like thousands of them. For each and every alphabet, you have like at least 30, 50 of them. So right now I'm still, this much is
just
done.
Like we have in the Word. We have Word in Word document.
Yes, just like we have it. So if you want something like this or this, you can use anything. And then you also have to, if you want to increase the font, then you can increase the font like this and like through plus sign, and you can also type. Like if you want to 70, you can make it 70. And if you want it like 100, you can also 100. And then you also have text color. So like if you want to change it to blue or yellow, orange, anything, you have all of these different fonts. But then also over here, you can see this add a new color. So when you add the new color, you get to see all the new shades, like almost every shade of different color. And you can select if you want a blue, then you can see like different shade. If you want a dark, then it comes to black, then grayish, bluish, and very light blue, and all of the things. Okay. And also for some of the text types, like font type, you don't have bold and italics, but for others you have. So depending on your text font, text type, you can choose it. Then also you have alignment. If you wanted center, if you wanted left aligned, if you wanted justified, or if you wanted right aligned. Then spacing, if you, how much letter spacing do you need? Do you need this much letter spacing? Like if you can see, right, join, the letter spacing has increased. You wanted more, or you wanted, how less do you want it, or just you want this much? No, right? According to your thing, you can choose. Then line spacing, like you can see this is a lot of line spacing. So you can decrease it and you can increase it how much ever you want. Then you come to effects. Basically in this, I'll just increase font for, okay. It's the same as the photo. If you want to have a little bit shadow, lift, neonish type you want some glitch like 2, 3, you can see. Echo, sply, is hollow. And then we have animate. Again, same as the photo, how you want it. You want it in typewriting, you want it in skate, and all of this you can explore, right? Then you have this, which is uppercase. If you want it to be full in capital, or if you want to be in capital, just the first letters to be in capital and rest to be in this. Then copy style. Basically, in this you have to, for example, let me give you an example. So if you have this body and if you say, let me just write yoga class again. Okay. So if you want this text type to be same as this text type, so you come here and you do copy style. And when you just click on this yoga class, this same style will appear here. Then you have same copy style. Then position. Do you want it top at the top? You want it at the middle? You want it at the bottom? And this is backwards. So if you want it behind your Google map, and forward if you want it forward your Google map. Then you have your transparency. If you want it light, how light you want it. This is also for photo, how light you want it and how dark you want it. Then also you have your emojis. If you want to put any kind of emojis, like click on this if you want to like show that join this Google Maps, so you can show the location kind of thing. You can put emojis. Google Map is done, templates, and these are some more styles. Like if you want to audio, video, background also. Like if you want the background, so you click on the background and you have this background color. If you want any background color changed, and again the same as your font, if how dark you want it or how light you want it. So this looks good. And yeah, that is pretty much it.
So
The basic.
basically, what I feel, if we know, we are well aware of how to use Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, so we are able to make it everything.
Yeah, it's more or less same. It's just on top whatever things you want to have, and you can just do it accordingly.
How did you delete the pattern which was right on the top?
You just have to delete with delete icon. Like you just do delete. So
Just
wait.
show कहते हैं by doing join yoga classes again. This at the middle, yeah.
Undo it and do it again.
And just delete.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can go and click on the picture and opt for delete. Okay.
Yeah. You can do delete or you can also do from your keyboard anyhow.
So from your keypad, okay.
Keypad or if you want to right click and do it. And any more questions? Because
Yeah.
it's more of less
Now it's an
time.
open house. If there is any question, please let us know.
Anika, can we? I have one. Anika, can we make a logo in this?
Yeah, we can make a logo. So
for that we need some PNG file, isn't it?
No, you don't need PNG file.
Okay. So how?
Yeah. So just go to home page and right here again logo.
Right.
So you have logo. So you have these different options. Like if you want to edit in this, you can edit, or you can create a fresh new logo. And like for example, in text, if you wanted to be underlined, also you can do in logo or something.
But Anya, personally, I will suggest कि ना there are many free apps to make logos.
Okay.
हाँ, if you go over there ना, you can get them. और हम लोगों ने अपना लोगो मतलब नॉट कार्यशाला फाउंडेशन, ये तो हमने प्रोफेशनली बनवाया था, बट दूसरे लोगोस जो है हमारे, we did it ourselves, and they and for downloading they just charge I think 200 or 500 rupees. सो हाँ, तो वी जस्ट हमारे पास हर तरह की फाइल आ गई थी, ट्रांसपेरेंट फाइल, पीएनजी वगैरह, वी हैड एवरी टाइप ऑफ फाइल। तो और उसके अंदर हमारे कॉपीराइट का इशू नहीं आता है फिर। सी यहाँ लोगों के अंदर, सपोज टुडे यू आर स्मॉल बट टुमारो यू विल ग्रो, and tomorrow you want, see, my thing is that कि you should think about further also.
Future, definitely.
आपका जो लोगो एक बारी बन गया वो आप चेंज नहीं करना चाहोगे, क्योंकि लोग आपको उसी नाम से पहचानते हैं। तो अगर आपको कल कॉपीराइट के लिए जाना है या ट्रेडमार्क के लिए जाना है, अगर आप यहाँ से लोगो बनाओगे ना, तो फिर आपको प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है। बट वंस यू बाय ए लोगो, कहते हैं थ्रू सम वेबसाइट और समथिंग, तो वो नोबडी कैन ब्लेम यू।
ओके।
एंड देयर आर मेनी साइट, मुझे बाद में याद दिलवा देना, आई विल सर्च। वैसे आप गूगल करोगे ना, आपके पास बहुत सारी साइट्स आ जाएंगी फ्री लोगों की, एंड जब आप उनको डाउनलोड करोगे देन दे चार्ज यू। तो वहाँ पे अपना जैसा आपको चाहिए ना, यू विल हैव न्यूमरस ऑफ देम एंड यू कैन सी एंड यू कैन डू इट। दैट्स माय सजेशन। मतलब
थैंक यू सो वेरी मच, इट वाज रियली वैल्यूएबल।
हाँ, क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता, सपोज 2 साल बाद आप जा रहे हो ट्रेडमार्क के लिए या लोगो करने के लिए कॉपीराइट, तो फिर प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है। हाँ,
such a great thought. I wish I'll go for one.
yeah. और इसलिए ना, एंड दिस थिंग ऑल्सो हैपेंड, जैसे अनिका ने अभी कहा था कि आप फोटोज यहाँ पे सुंदर है फोटोज, लेकिन आप फोटोज यहाँ से मत लो, आप फोटोज अपनी ही डालो। हाँ, जैसे वर्षा जी ने पूछा था कि हम डेस्कटॉप से उठा सकते हैं, आप अपनी फोटोज आप वहां से पिक करके, क्योंकि अब जैसे व्हाट आई वाज सीइंग द योगा और व्हाट आई सी वीमेन ग्रुप, अब मुझे लग रहा था यार फोटोज तो यहाँ पे सेम ही है जो वीमेन ग्रुप में डली हुई है फॉर योगा क्लासेस, तो आपकी ऑथेंटिसिटी ना खत्म हो जाती है। सो अगर आप अपनी फोटो डालोगे योगा करते हुए, वी आर जस्ट गिविंग द एग्जांपल कि योगा की बात चल रही है, तो उसमें ऑथेंटिसिटी आ जाती है। अगर आप जैसे हमारी आप कार्यशाला फाउंडेशन में आप देखोगे, हमारी फोटोज चाहे गंदी हो अच्छी हो, हम लोग अपनी फोटो डालते हैं। नहीं तो आप कई फोटोज देखो एनजीओ की, इसके ना इतनी सुंदर फोटो होती है, बच्चा गरीब सा है, गंदा सा है, लेकिन पीछे की बाउंड्री इतनी अच्छी है, सुंदर है। दे ऑल बीन हायर्ड बाय from here, or they have bought for 45 rupees from Google. But it अब हमें क्योंकि we are working, we came to know because हमारे पास भी आए कि मैम आपकी फोटोज अच्छी नहीं है, we will do this and this। हमने कहा नहीं भैया हमें नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन क्योंकि it doesn't make sense for me कि मैं एक झूठी फोटो 45 रुपीज की उठा के गूगल से बाय करके मैं डालूं, it doesn't make sense for me, क्योंकि मेरी उसी दिन ऑथेंटिसिटी खत्म हो जाएगी।
True.
सो सी यू आपको आप सब काम शुरू कर रहे हैं, हमको लगता है पिक्चर्स अच्छी हो, इट हार्डली मैटर्स पिक्चर्स अच्छी नहीं हो, उनकी ऑथेंटिसिटी होना जरूरी है। और सबको पता है कि डीएसएलआर कैमरा सबके पास नहीं है, हम सब मोबाइल से ही फोटो खींच रहे हैं। तो इट हार्डली मैटर्स कि आपकी फोटो कितनी सुंदर है कितनी नहीं है, लेकिन आपकी जेन्युइनिटी चमकती है उसके अंदर। That's what I feel since I came to know कि 45 rupees में पिक्चर्स बिकती हैं, तो it was a shocking for me। हाँ जी, कहते हैं मानिक जी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, बिल्कुल ठीक बोल रहे हो, that's all. I agree with you.
हाँ जी, हाँ।
अनिका, लास्ट में अगर जब बन जाएगा तो डाउनलोड करने के ऑप्शंस वो भी दिखा दो कि कैसे करना है ना, then we can.
So you have an option of sharing, then you have this download option where the file type, so you can put it in PNG, JPG, PDF print if you want to print the PDF. Then if you want to, like, this is, we added animation, right? That's what it is of 5 seconds. that's why they suggest to make it in a video, and you can also do it in GIF. So you, for example, if I do it in PNG, I just have to download it and it is being downloaded. And I'll just show it. So this is how it looks. Yeah, no, I don't think you can see it. Let me share again, wait. Yeah, and this is how it looks.
एंड सेकेंडली मैं एक चीज ऐड करना चाहूंगी, मुझे भी नॉलेज अनिका को काम करते देख देख के हुई है, बिकॉज शी वाज गेटिंग द क्लाइंटेज एंड दे वर टॉकिंग टू हर. अगर आपको प्रिंट आउट लेना है, अनिका इट वाज पीएनजी ना?
PDF, so basically PDF print it.
हाँ, तो आपको अपनी जो फाइल है पीडीएफ में आपको वो सेव करनी होगी, तभी ये आपको अगर इफ यू गो टू फोटोस्टैट शॉप और सम प्रिंटिंग प्रेस दे विल एबल टू प्रिंट फॉर यू. कई बार होता है हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने को चाहिए होता है, तो वी डोंट वांट डिजिटल फाइल, वी वांट ए हार्ड कॉपी. तो उसके लिए यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट व्हाइल डाउनलोडिंग, कि आप किस फॉर्मेट में आप चाहे इसको डाउनलोड करेंगे.
Just give me 1 second. Yeah, so this is how it looks in print in PDF. So you can just print from here.
Secondly, printing में you have to take care whether you want to get it done printing in black and white and colored, तो दोनों के फॉर्मेट चेंज होंगे.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If you
मतलब you can't, I mean to say इतना कलरफुल नहीं बना सकते ना, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में करना है तो.
हाँ, correct. Black and white में करना है तो you will try to put less images and use basic colors only. पर अगर कलरफुल है तो जो भी डालना है डाल सकते हो.
Yeah, very true. Now everything is online. We have stopped having newspapers at home.
Yeah.
There was a time कि newspaper कहाँ है चाय पीते हुए, but now it's all gone. So please is open for question and answer. If you have any query, please do ask Anika. सीमा जी, कोई क्वेरी है आपकी? आपने थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन किया था, बट आपके ज्वाइन करने से पहले हमने कुछ स्टार्ट नहीं किया था. वी वर जस्ट हैविंग एन इंट्रो. एंड शिवानी, आपने भी लेट ज्वाइन किया था.
Hi, sir. Hear me?
Yeah. Is there any query? Please do ask.
So my request is kindly share the recording of this workshop.
श्योर, वो हम अभी YouTube में डाल देंगे शाम तक, एंड वी विल लेट यू नो कहाँ से आप चेक कर सकते हो.
Yes, thank you.
हाँ.
And there is also a surprise. So thank you for waiting. So basically, I think Swati ma'am will put a WhatsApp group, right? So there, if anyone has, you can put like by 12 o'clock anything that you want me to make. So I'll make it for you. But like till only 12 o'clock, you have to send all details. So anything you want, I'll make it. Because it's our first workshop. So that's why.
Wow, thank you so very much. That's a wonderful gesture.
So you should grab this opportunity and get one pamphlet, Insta or Facebook made by her. At
Yeah.
least you have something to put tomorrow.
We will.
Will surely.
Can we get her? I mean, is it okay if she can share her phone number with us?
Yeah. Varsha is my phone number. Anika is my daughter.
Oh wow.
Okay. Yeah.
Good.
So it's the
Great.
same. I haven't given her कहते हैं any other number, so she's using my number only. She is in grade 11, so we haven't given her something else. Yeah. So yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Very thank you, Anika, and I am hopeful that I will make an attempt and
Bother you?
My quiz.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you very much. So, by today, today or tomorrow, 12 o'clock?
Today midnight.
Today.
Okay, I'm sending one.
Done. And please, everybody, can you please switch on the camera so that we can have a group photo? आनिया आपका आधा सिर आ रहा है. आईना, सॉरी, मैं आपका नाम ही चेंज कर दूंगी. शिवानी, कैन यू प्लीज स्विच ऑन? चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच. अब जिसको भी अपना पैम्फलेट बनवाना है, प्लीज मैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाऊंगी, मुझे पर्सनल मैसेज में भेज दीजिएगा जो जो रिक्वायरमेंट है पैम्फलेट की. तो शी विल, टुमारो इज अ वीकेंड, शी इज गॉट ए स्कूल हॉलीडे, तो शी विल मेक इट फॉर यू एंड लेट्स सी कितना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आता है, आप लोगों के पास क्या आता है. ठीक है जी. ओके जी.
There was one on a priority basis जो मुझे बनाना था. I'm having a group in Melbourne and Australia who are waiting to join. So I was told कि ना कुछ make something and share so that people can see. तो वो मेरे दिमाग में था. That is why I thought चलो ये फटाफट अटेंड कर लेते हैं और काम पे लग जाते हैं. अभी तो अनिका है साथ में, so no worries I guess.
वर्षा, बनाओगे ना तो गेट इट चेक बाय अनिका, तो एक रिव्यू हो जाएगा आपका ना. हाँ, सो कोई चेंजेस करने होंगे तो शी विल डू इट फॉर यू. या Bina, you are on mute. I can't hear you if you are saying something.
I'm saying okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you so much
Bye
for
everyone.
joining.
Thank you so very much.
Thanks a lot, Anika. Thank you, Swati.
Thank you. And please do provide the feedback for the workshop.
Bye.